Hello bloggers, if you already know that you need a WordPress.com account to set up Jetpack to your self-hosted WordPress site, then this video is not for you. In this video, we'll see the best WordPress plugins for blogs. Blogging, and especially blogging for money, attracts a huge number of budding bloggers to start their own blog site. Why not? When you end up making hundreds of thousands of dollars just by writing a blog within a few years. But starting a WordPress blogging site and run it smoothly for the first few months is really tricky when you don't install the right plugins. Loserr is here to save you from some of those hardships of finding the plugins that will make your blogging site good to go. Let's unfold the list. 1. Akismet. You must know from your WordPress.com hosted site days that spam comments with irrelevant links are common. People find the comments section as the best place to get a do-follow backlink. These get too much if not blocked or marked as spam. To save you from that, Akismet is the WordPress plugin to have. It helps stave off comment spam and even has the ability to delete all the junk comments on its own, so you never have to even go through these junk. Find a link in the description for this free plugin. 2. Google XML Sitemaps. Hope you are aware of sitemaps. If you are looking to have this for your blogging site, get Google XML Sitemaps. It is the easiest way you are going to get your website content crawled by Google bots. No wonder you'll be more visible on Google. Don't confuse this with an SEO plugin. 3. Yoast SEO plugin. SEO and Yoast are becoming synonyms these days. Get Yoast and be assured that you'll write something that suits the Google algorithms with its trademark green buttons. With my years of experience with writing on WordPress, I have not seen any other SEO plugin adapting to Google algorithms that fast. Instead of being left to guess if you've optimized your content correctly, the plugin helps you with every step along the way. And if you use this one, you can skip the extra XML sitemap plugins, because Yoast takes care of that too. 4. Easy Facebook like box or social media share buttons and social sharing icons. If you are willing to boast of your Facebook presence on your blogging site, this is the plugin for you. Just install this and find a way to add your Facebook page directly from the widget area from your WordPress dashboard. With this plugin, you can direct visitors to like your Facebook page directly from the website. On the other hand, Social Media Share Buttons plugin lets you add share icons for RSS, email, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Google+, Pinterest, Instagram, YouTube, Share covering 200 plus other social media platforms, and upload custom share icons of your choice. 5. Author Bio Box. If your blog has many owners, contributors or writers, you should add the Social Author Bio WordPress plugin to your blog. This works perfectly with your Gravatar account and increases your credibility across the web as a user. 6. Custom Permalinks. The plugin lets you customize the URLs in more ways than any other plugin. Use this plugin to set the URL of any post, page, tag or category to anything you want. Old permalinks will redirect properly to the new address. Custom Permalinks gives you ultimate control over your site structure. Stay connected to get more tips on WordPress and WooCommerce. And keep sharing your knowledge to expand it more.